Hey guys, so something super exciting. Froothie have very kindly reached out to me and gifted me one of their honestly this has incredible reviews, their Optimum 9200A blender. Like, what the heck, I think this is actually the most exciting thing I've ever been sent. I'm particularly excited about this because I have a small cheap blender and a food processor, which is basically like my food processor is what I use for most things that I want to blend, and then like the little smoothie one, the little cheapy smoothie one for like little smoothies. But I don't have a proper high quality blender, and this is what this is, and I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm going to unbox it, and then like obviously I'll use it. I'm so excited to use it, and then once I've been using it for a bit, I'm going to share with you guys. But basically I'm just really excited to have the opportunity to work with Froothie. I've seen so many people using their blenders and they just look amazing, and they even have the thing where you can look overhead and it's got the like swirly action thing. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. I'm so excited. I've been so excited though with this over there. Do you know literally the thing I'm most excited about is that seeing the swirl? You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm finally going to have a blender where you can see the swirl and where you can like go overhead. Like, I swear I'm going to start making so many more smoothies just to see the swirl. I can't open the shot. You'd think I'd be able.
I'm chipping away, wondering if I will ever break through. But every day, I'm chipping away.
Okay, we just had to take a small break because I didn't clear my camera and my camera ran out of space. But some stuff's been taken off it, so hopefully it's going to work now. Anyway, as I said, I'm going to open this and use it a bit before I share what it's like and everything, but I'm so excited to be working with Froothie with this mixer. It looks honestly amazing. I'm so excited because it's got a tamper stick, and as I said, it's got the swirly action overhead thing, and I've never had a blender this good, and it's just like amazing. It's perfect for me because like I love my smoothies, and it can make like nut butters and nut milks, and those are two things that I really want to start making. So yeah, anyway, I'll open it up quickly and show you the actual thing. I'm so excited. And it's got a 2-litre jug, which is perfect for me because I make my smoothies big. Look at that nice big jug. What's this bit? Oh my god, what's this? Oh, look, it's a cute little cup thing, like a smoothie cup. Oh my god!
Oh, that's so cute.
That's so cute. Okay, camera ran out of space again, so we're trying this again. But yeah, I've got it all out now, and this is it in all its glory. Obviously you can't really see much until I use it, but I'm so excited to go and play around with this and then show you some epic things to make in this. I'm so grateful to Froothie and so excited to be working with them to show you how cool this is. Stay tuned once I played around with it and know how it works and know how epic it is.